Good afternoon, guys. Just got a pickup here in Hampton, New Brunswick. Stopping at Tim Hortons. Young fellas going to get our coffees. That's what we got in the back here. We got some goodies. A couple of CRT TVs, some rotors, an old rusty chair. And in the back here, we got a small freezer and a couple of washing machines. There you go. Not a bad start for a day. Now we're leaving here and going down to Rossley Quispam area, which is on the way home, which is having their spring cleanup week starting Monday. So everybody's put their stuff out already. So on the way to the house, we should be able to fill the truck and the trailer right up. So we'll it'll be about an hour for us, be about a second for you. See you back at the house, see what we got. Might even stop and show you some of the pickups on the way down, some of the street scrapping. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, we made it back with the first load. We found some more stuffs on the way home. Haha. Had some room there, but we couldn't get to it. You know, well. So that's as full as we can get her up and over. Filled the trailer up good. Ceiling fans and a whole bunch of nice stuffs in here. This little thing was full of water. Wonderful. Got a brass lamp. Got another barbecue. Got a barbecue up there, a barbecue here. Bunch of chairs. Bunch of looks like something. Could be chrome or stainless. And all kinds of little knickknacks. I see some copper. See, copper. Got a whole bunch of cord. Let's see, that old antique bike up there. So we get the young fella climb on the sideboards because I try that, I'm going to get hurt. So we're going to get this unloaded. And what was that, buddy?
You better not break the structurally integral zip ties.
Yeah, we don't want to hurt the zip ties any. So we're going to load this, have supper, and go back over and get another load. Traffic shouldn't be as bad then, and we'll videotape some of our exposés. Alrighty, a little bit of street scrappy so they let me out here. I'm out. All right.
I do like that E36, I do not like that electric Mustang though. You've seen that too, right?
Electric Mustangs are cool. No.
Hey, new bike.
It's the right color for you too, buddy. Match your panties. That's wood, I think. That's wood. Downward bank there's a metal thing. Oh, that's wood. And that's about it. Oh, what's it? That's wooden easel. I don't need that. Oh, this.
Yeah, everything under it.
And this thing. Look at that. Just throw stuff in there, buddy. We get in the middle of the street. We can examine it when we get home.
I call dibs on that old drink.
That's a nice rocker, but I don't know. Leave it alone, buddy. It's all wood. I already checked it. All right, on to the next. Alrighty, just throw them in the back of the. In there, I guess I'll go in. They're all metal, probably aluminum.
Yeah.
It's a nice old table there, but it looks like it has repairs of the legs of it. Yep. Just lay that down there, bud. Get across the street there, buddy. We'll get down the way back. We'll go turn around at the end up here and come back down this way. Alrighty, we're gonna cross the street there. We're down the street, guys. Where the cars at where we were. Alrighty. Well, it's just the heaters and that. Go down the hill here a little bit. Grab that heater there, buddy. And I'm thinking that's going to be it for this pile. Oh. Aluminum screen. There we go. Alrighty. piles everywhere. Look up the road. Spring cleanup days, guys. Leave the glass here. That can go, yep. Look at that. Nice little find. Truck's getting full. I haven't started the trailer yet. There's another pile of goodies over there, but we'll check them on the way back this road. That was spring cleanup day, guys. A week. Be like this for the next 6 or 7 days. And route again.
What?
Keep walking. You block me off. I can't get through here, boy. I see something back here somewhere. There we go. I stopped for a single chair.
Sit on it, it'll be funny.
Oh, sit on it, it'll be fun. Yeah. All right, that's all plastic. Woohoo, next time. Oh, we were here last week. All right. Look at that, all kinds of wonderful stuffs. Nobody. Yeah, that'll work.
You got a magnet?
Let's see. Cordage. Weed whacker.
Where's the magnet?
Just set her in the back, please. Oh, look at old power tools. Bonus. Look at all the diggings. Can you let that right on the trailer?
Trailer.
Got a thing behind you, it's called trailer.
Okay.
Trailer? What's a trailer? More cordage. Yay! Oh, hand saws. Oh, lights gonna go breaking. No, they didn't. Ah, they don't make them like they used to.
Hey, awesome.
You want to load up there, buddy? I've got everything all loaded here, and you're still sitting there doing something. It's called nothing. You haven't loaded one thing yet.
I have.
That's how slow kids are. Oh my goodness. Whoop. You want to throw something in on the truck, in the trailer, bud? Yay, second thing in. I'm teasing you. Wow, I've loaded the back of the truck. He's a tool, but he's very sharp, guys.
How about as sharp as these pliers?
Actually, much sharper. Empty. 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 Nothing back here.
Right,
Take this.
Alright, now I need a hand here.
Cordage. Yay. Belly. All right, grab that handle over there.
Ta-da!
Teddy. You're a mystery. Umbrella, but I'll make sure it's out of wooden umbrella. Plastic. Mentally. Pick this stuff up here. Mentally. 3 stops. Truck's almost loaded. Yay! All right. On the next one. Down there. I like you. I like you. I like you a lot. Stop between these 2 spots here. Show where that's metal, bud. All right, put them in the bottom of the trailer here. Alrighty, look at this now. All bottled up for us. It don't get better than that, guys. So we're getting back in the truck, buddy. Far up it as you can get. Without doing my trick and breaking out the window.
Is that everything?
Yep. Woo, guys, look at this. She's loading up fast. Might get a 3rd trip in today. What do you know, eh? Yeehaw! And we're out again. Good day, sir.
Hi.
Just grab as much scrap metal as we can before the town takes it away. We get no money.
That's right. It goes here on Monday.
Oh, at least here on Monday. Boys, we better get to her then, eh?
Yeah, that's right.
We've only come up the road here. Look at the truck.
Oh, yeah.
She's getting loaded up, my friend.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy. You have a great evening. Okay, buddy, I have no idea why. But we're keeping these. And I think that was it.
Yep.
Yes, sir. All right, onward. Ouch. En route again. Yep, piece of a barbecue. I got this, buddy.
Where'd they put the rest of it?
Oh, you saw that. Good. Alrighty. Good day, sir. Buddy, it's just a heater, I think. Yeah. Just a heater. Ugh. And something with cordage on it. Okay, there we go. Alrighty. Metal. Yeah. More metal. Got a ton of these chairs tonight. Good heavens. Umbrella. Hup. All right. Will that break down? We'll just leave that here.
Yeah, the bed frame?
Yeah. Normally I wouldn't leave it here, but it'll be, we'll bring the tools with us tomorrow. I'll bring tools with us tomorrow. And we can tear stuff like that down. We don't have a screwdriver with us. I took them all out. Alrighty, we're at another spot. It just keeps coming. Look at that. It's a fan. Well, maybe not. Piece of a fan. Plastic. Metal. More ladies. Those buckets empty?
Yep.
We need buckets. Put that right on the trailer, I guess. Alrighty. Put it on so you can see what I'm digging at here. Look at a whole bunch of light fixtures. Yay. Not bad for a few hours work. Some more medley parts. Whew, she's a beautiful evening too, guys. Pieces of a swing set there, buddy. Yeah, that won't be a good idea. Okay, Smarty. He got the better junk. She's filling out fast, guys. Look at that now. Nope, leave that. The swing piece.
I can't. They're bolted.
I said drop that whole thing there. There we go. Grab another piece of metal.
You know, I can always put a carabiner in.
Oh my goodness. Getting worn out.
You do realize that they're metal chains, right?
Yeah, but oh yeah, you're right, pull that whole thing in. Take her with you. Oh, I see what you're doing.
Damn, that doesn't separate. There. Oh well, we got a pry bar, don't we?
No, everything's just out. Unfortunately.
We got a large screwdriver, right?
Nope. I said I took everything out the shed at the shop in town. I mean, it's a house. Just throw that right in the back.
No, I meant like at the house.
Oh yeah. I see a pot. No, I don't.
Why would you throw the metal chains back?
Do that. Okay, bring them. All right, that's it for this pile.
Hey, you know, boys.
I gotta grab those buckets up there too, buddy. We can always use more buckets.
Right, we go down the tunnel.
I would, but you let your door open. So we go get the buckets. Alrighty, so see you at the next stop, guys. My goodness, look at that. What a beautiful dead end street. Ugh. And it continues. You gotta love the suburbs. Wealthiest neighborhood. Well, this isn't, but it's in the same area.
This is a funny looking pot, Dad.
Yeah, throw it in. Heavy. There might be another pile down there. Young fella's got some stuff here. Oh yeah. Looks like I'm gonna pull ahead there, bud.
Oh, my pantry's covered in mystery fluid, so I'm not concerned.
We'll leave it at mystery fluid.
Gotta get in our trash cans and sample that Keurig machine. I hope it's in the Keurig.
Hey, at least it's not a handy potty.
Huh?
Not a handy potty. You know the potty disabled people use?
No, bedpan.
No, potty. It's a potty.
Before discarding an old dishwasher, remove the door to prevent child entrapment. Don't kill.
Roll her in.
Stay. Ooh, what are we uncovering? Wires.
Yep, there's a steel.
See you at the next time.
Better run fast. I might run you over, bud. See you in a bit. I'm getting worn out.
What?
So I'm getting worn out, young feller. There's an umbrella here. That's about it. That I could see offhand.
That and this.
Yep. That in the trailer. This in the truck. There's a barbecue up the street here, just about in front of that white car.
Up in front of that white car?
Hop in, yeah, it's a little bit up there, so. It's about a few hundred feet.
No, but what's
Just
more,
leave the videotape running.
what's more effective is riding on the back, but thing is, DOT gets angry.
Yeah.
Don't let the...
Go by this here because I don't think there's anything here.
Nope.
But this is barbecue up here. Already cut down for us. Look at that now.
Lovely.
Makes it so much easier, don't it?
Mm.
All right, we'll hop out here. That was, is that heavy?
Yeah. Heavy and full of stuff.
All right then. It goes to the back. Try to lift it up like this. Set it up in like this so it doesn't spill. Or just like that. There we go.
I wanted to go there. This back too?
We'll try to put it up over top of this one here, facing that way.
Facing, do I need to cross the trailer?
Actually, just walk around the trailer. Or wait a second, no, that's stupid. Yeah, lift it up. Set it down, cross the trailer. There you go, go across. There we go.
That's not going anywhere.
Gotta give it a slap first.
Don't slap it, then it might go somewhere.
Alrighty.
Hey, let's try it. You walk by.
Next street. That's right, I got some street scraps over here too, buddy. Microwave, nice.
There ain't nothing microwave that way.
Cutters. We getting loaded, people. They found more lights. Set them in the back seat in case they work. Be nice, nice lights for the yard. Oop. Pick it up.
I think we're running out of room.
Thinking. That's a first.
Why are we carrying it? Look, set your...
Yeah, I want you to get up on the truck. Get right up on the truck, up the railing up there. We're gonna try something really stupid. Is this on?
Yes.
Oh, good, because I'm trying something really stupid. I want it to be recorded. Right over this side here and stand up on the tailgate, up on the back of the thing. Right up on there. There you go. I'm gonna pass this up to you. Grab that end, please. There we go. There we go. You got her?
Yep.
Just drop it. Look at that.
Hey, we even got it.
Looks like we know what we're doing. Okay, you stay there. I'm going home.
All right.
Jess, can you get down?
No,
Whew. Another pile up there. Turn you back on if we find stuff. I suppose we're going to give the little guy a hand, eh?
This is fun.
Hey, buddy.
You stay there, I drive.
Okay, keep passing them up.
You might need to drop some.
Yeah, I think we're
loaded.
No. We get another pile on her. Look at this now. Just let's not under any low bridges, all right?
I don't think I'm out here no more.
Here we go.
I'm the ratchet strap, aren't I?
You can hold everything in. Ugh.
Like I say.
We're still going, guys. Yeehaw. Yeah, we're going to probably have to call it a load after this stop because she's getting full, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, dang it. Oh my God, Lord, 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 Lord.
No.
Yeah,
No.
they're aluminum. They are not staying.
Where are they going?
Right up in the center of the trailer.
Hey, you gonna strap that in?
Oh yeah, definitely gonna strap it in.
Yeah, we don't need to.
Just a second, bud. Finish low before you strap. Umbrella. Truck. Push right along the side here, driver passenger side. More metally stuff. That's good.
As far as that's going.
That there can go on. That metal piece right there. Whew.
Oh, trailer?
Yeah,
there's a hole.
Yeah, there's a hole. Stick up on top. Right at top there. Now we put the other microwave there.
What?
Other microwave's going there. Throw it right up top there. Set up top gently. As far as you can. There you go. That's good to get next spot.
Oh, you're not gonna.
Next spot's right there. All right. So I shall pull up. So, look in the mirror. I'm still handsome. All right, guys. He's another full load, I think. Over this side in the back, bud. There's a hole right there on the side here.
Oh my God, there's plenty of them.
That's what I said. That's all wood.
That would not be good.
There's a fan back there. That's all wood. Not gonna bother with that little fridge thing. Fridge thing. Huh? See if this thing actually works. But you don't see, I've got my dirty glove. But yeah, it's look at that now. It's a warmer, cooler. AC DC. I wonder. We'll put it in here until we figure it out. All right, mentally. Yeah.
Good here?
That's a wooden one there. Start digging those straps, buddy. All right, guys. We'll gonna strap that all up and head for home. We'll see you at the house. Alrighty, guys, we're back home. Yeah, we're not a bit overloaded. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think we might have overloaded it a tad bit. Good Lord. Oh, Thor's in the house. He's all peeved. All right, so we're going to go in. I'm going to have a coffee and get this video up. There's the stuff you unloaded from the first load. Yeah, that's all from the last load you seen on the truck there earlier in the video. On the trailer. Now we got to unload that. That pile's going to be flipping massive, guys. And then we're going over getting another load on the truck and trailer tonight. Yikes. And then tomorrow, we're going to get 3 more loads, maybe 4 more loads of that. 3 or 4 more trips of that. So we should have quite a pile of metals before Monday. And tomorrow evening, we're going to load up as much stuff as we can to take in sorry, Sunday night after we're all done, we're gonna reload a lot of this stuff here that's not gonna be processed. It doesn't have to be processed. The shred and throw it on, and take it in Monday morning for some gas money. Go through a lot of smalls and just to pack it in tight so we have more weight. So we can now get a couple $100 on Monday morning and fill the tank with gas in the truck here and run for 3 or 4 more days. All right, guys, that's the video. It's a beautiful Saturday evening here. I wish I could sit on my spot there and relax, but no rest for the wicked, guys. All right, go take care of my puppy. You all take care. God bless. Thank you all for watching.